Mama.
Thank you, baby girl. Ano din? Ano dyan? Buti pa yung bata.
Mama.
Thank you, princess. Na-appreciate mo.
Mama.
That's Auntie's. How about this?
Very hot. There.
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 Mama ironed it. Good morning.
No, there.
It's morning. Monday na naman, guys. Ready na naman tayo for Ate Paris' school. Hala, pag-supply eh. Pinaplansya ko yung susuotin niya Ate Paris. And alam niyo ba? Hindi sarap mag-vlog muna. Pero itong isa ay very chatty man.
Ati.
Ati.
Here, Mama.
Yeah. See, I've done yours.
No.
No. Pinakita ko sa kanya, sabi ko, pinansya ko yung damit mo. Alam niyo ba sinabi niya sa akin, guys?
Ati.
That is yours. Sabi niya sa akin, good job, Mama.
Ati.
Did you say good job to Mama before?
Ati. Ati.
Did you say good job to Mama? Oh, Ati. This is Archie's. Hindi ako makapaniwala, guys. Sinabi niya good job, Mama. She's very chatty. Ati. She is very chatty this morning. Actually, since yesterday, very chatty niya. Gusto niyang salita na magsalita. Even na hindi pa naiintindihan yung mga sinasabi. Yummy? Lumabas si Daddy Mike. Bumili siya ng kanina. And bumilihan niya rin si Mommy. Ano? Hindi ko ito nagawa kagabi. Kasi alam niyo ba, kahapon, all afternoon, naglinis kami dito sa bahay. Tapos, nung gabi na, nilagay namin lahat ng mga clothes na kailangan tupiin. At sobrang dami, guys. Sobrang dami. Nagtambak talagang kailangan tupiin. And then, last night, nag-start na si Daling mag-phone. Ako, kumain ako. Ito naman siya, tulog na sila. Ito naman siya ay umiyak, guys. So, pumasok ako ulit sa bed, pinadedit ko siya. Hindi nakatulog ulit. Ay, nakatulog din si mami niya. Hindi na ako nakalabas. Nalock na ako sa room. Hindi na ako nakapag-ready ng damit. Dati Paris, hindi na ako nakapag-fold. Iniwan ko na si Daddy Mike nag-fold mag-isa.
Attack, Mama.
Thank you, baby girl. Ano din? Ano dyan? Buti pa yung bata.
Attack, Mama.
Thank you, princess. Na-appreciate mo.
Mama.
Thank you, Anna. I love you.
Mama. Mama.
Mama.
Auntie.
Auntie.
Yeah, soon.
Soon. Where's Ati?
Not in my bed.
In the bed. Shall we wake up Ati? Huh? Shall we go wake up Ati?
She's on the bed.
She's in the bed. Yeah, she's still sleeping.
Huh?
Huh?
Where is the pumpkin?
Pumpkin?
Yeah, that's the worst too.
Let's go wake Ati up.
Daddy, Auntie, she's from the army.
Where's that? Where's Ati?
Not in my bed.
In bed. Still in bed, Ati.
I was in the bed.
Yes. Did you have a good sleep?
Yeah.
Yeah? That's good. Shall we go wake Ati up? At Daddy is preparing Paris' breakfast. Breakfast, hindi lunchbox. You want to hold? Hold. Let's go wake up. 1, 2, ready. Go. She's awake already.
Huh?
You don't have to wake her up. We came here to wake you up.
Mama, I think she put it on.
Yeah? Ati's still sleeping.
Yeah, it is jump.
Alam niyo ba? Ito siya, natulog sa kanyang bedroom last night. Pag midnight, she moved here.
While I was sleeping.
Yeah, you were sleeping in the big bed, yeah. How are you going to wake up, Ate? Ate, pretend to sleep, Ate. Ate is sleeping. Ate is sleeping. Can you wake her up?
A cup.
Sleep, sleep. Wake her up.
A cup. A cup.
A cup. A cup.
Mama.
Yes?
I think she put it on.
Oh, Ate's got a blanket on. Very warm. I love this blanket, guys. Hindi siya makapal. Hindi siya sobrang init. But it keeps you warm.
Mama!
Yes, princess. Akap! Wake up lang. Wake up.
Akap!
Ipa-pretend ra kag katulog, matulog mo na kagbalik. Hodja. Come na, wake up na. You have to go to school. It's Monday.
Akap!
See, she's crying lang. Atli, wake up na, T. She said wake up. See? Is Ate awake now?
Yeah!
Yeah, good job waking her up. Say good morning.
That's not sheep. Sheep, Ate. Sheep.
Sleep. Say good morning, Ate.
Akap! Akap!
Say good morning ba? Say morning, Ate. Good morning, Ate. Okay, say good morning to Celine.
Good morning, Celine.
See, Ate said good morning, Celine. What do you say? Say morning, Ate.
Morning, Ate. Good morning, Mama.
Good morning, princess. I love you. I love you too, Ling Ling.
Ate.
You don't need brain break. Today, do you, honey?
Yes. No brain break.
Okay.
Mom, do you know what I prayed for tonight? That my tooth will come out when it's Monday, when we're in Japanese.
No, yeah.
In the room. Where we do Japanese.
Oh, thanks, Ling.
Where we do Japanese.
Why? Why there?
Because they have boxes for tooths when they come out. And I really love my tooth to come out, so I do that.
Iba na yung wish ng mga kids ngayon, guys, kasi
Wobbly tooth.
para daw matanggal yung ngipin nila kasi very excited sila sa tawag dito, tooth fairy. Ang mga matatanda, tayo ng mga
I don't wanna to.
tanggalan ng ngipin.
I don't wanna to. I don't wanna be because I want the tooth fairy to come.
Why is it then?
Just because I love wobbly teeth.
It doesn't look nice when you're an adult, honey.
That really happened. It's mine.
It's mine. Sharing.
Mine. Oh. Okay.
Thank you, Ate.
You can have this first. It's mine.
Nak, you know it's Atis, yeah?
Pop. My hand. My hand.
What's wrong with your hand? Alam niyo ba kahapon guys, nag-makeup to silang dalawa. Tapos, yung lipstick ay nilagay ni Celine sa buong mukha niya. Tapos, mascara. Ang hirap tanggalin. Buti na lang may saliva.
And a hug.
Mama, what color is this shirt?
Pink.
No, this one, not this one.
Yellow.
Yellow. What color is this?
No. Yeah.
What color is this?
Blue.
Blue.
What color is this? Nose.
Nose. Pink. Yeah. What color is this?
Black.
Black.
What color is? Mama, what color is?
What color is this?
No, I'm doing it.
Okay.
What color? What color? Why just do this?
Hang on.
Do that. White.
Wait, did you have to do
Oh, that's the answer. I was doing white as well.
Yeah. You're pointing at my teeth. What if she says yellow?
Yellow.
Okay. Hang on. Show. Smile. What color is Ate Paris' teeth? This one. Wala tong ano.
White.
Oh, white! Tapos ba siya ni Paris?
What color is this?
Come on, now we gotta get ready.
What color is this?
A few moments later.
Gawa tayo ng lunch ni Baby Celine, guys. Tingnan niyo si mami niyo ay nag-transform. Kasi, gumawa ako ng reels, Insta reels, para sa yung bag na natanggap ko. And, instead of di ba normally sa YouTube ako nag-unbox. So, yung isang natanggap ko is yung agreement namin is Instagram. So, yun, ginawan ko ng reels. So, sa mga nakakita sa inyo sa Instagram, let me know in the comment section below kung napanood niyo yung reels ko. Sobrang madalian guys, kasi alam niyo ba, si Baby Celine ay pinatulog ko. Tapos in the middle of like filming, ganun ako guys, kasi yung ginawa ko is wedding guest outfit inspiration. So yung mga ang tawag dito, yung mga kung ano yung susuotin ko sa wedding. So ito yung last pala guys, kaya hindi ko pa nahubad. Kasi while I was filming, Ate Baby Celine na payak-iyak. So padedi ko muna, labas ulit, tapos film ulit. Tapos ayun, hanggang sa nagising siya ngayon, buti na lang natapos yung reel na ginawa ko before nagising si Baby Celine. Kasi naku, ayoko na magbalik-balik ba. Kasi mahirap na. Alam niyo ba, madalian kasi may kasi yan guys, yung mga collaboration na ginagawa ko, meron din yan silang binibigay na anong tawag dito, like time. So, kung gaano katagal bago i-upload yung video, by the time, like after ma-receive yung package, yung ganun. So, mainly, within 1 week of receiving the package, ay magagawan mo na ng content. So, minsan, kahapon sana gagawan ko ng content kasi nga Sunday. So, Daddy Mike and the kids can go in the other room or lalabas muna sila while I do the content. But hindi nangyari kahapon kasi medyo madilim din. Hindi maganda yung lighting. Wala akong ring light dito guys. So, nagre-rely lang ako sa natural lighting sa kwarto. Yun lang. So, hindi talaga tawag dito professional si mami nyo yung mga kagamitan. So, kahapon hindi nangyari kasi sabi ko, kailangan ko na talagang gawin today. So, nagawan ko ng paraan kasi bukas, Tuesday, may library na naman kami ni Baby Celine. Hindi na naman magawa. So, ayun, nag-ano ako guys, like, makeup. Hindi na ako naglagay ng mascara. Hindi naman halata sa video. So, naglagay ako ng, eyeliner, pen liner, to be exact, para hindi siya, very dry tingnan na, very flat ba. Meron din siyang maitim-itim dyan sa ating eyelid. And then, yun lang, makeup, ganyan. Pero hindi talaga yan siya lang yung ginagawa ko kapag lumalabas kami. Hindi, parang mabilisan lang ba, para hindi naman siya pangitin lang sa video. So, yun yung ginagawa ng isang, guys, content creator. Charis! Content creator. Content creator na pala aketch ngayon. Paano bang itawag nyo sa akin, diba guys? Diba? Content creator kasi gumagawa ko ng content diba? Ayun. And then, after this one, straight away, pick upin na naman natin ang ating Ate Paris. You know the drill. So, kailangan may talaga time management para may magawa lahat. Nakbuyag, nakikanak. Wala ka yung face. Diyos ka, Lord. Tingnan niyo ang mukha naman yan, oy. Siya, tita, be. Wow. Okay with that, na? I forgot man lang. I think it's from... What did you get it from? Oh, it's yours. Yes, it's yours.
It's mine. It's mine.
Oh, Jumay.
It's mine.
It's mine.
It's mine.
It's nearly cooked now. Sandwich.
Ooh.
We're gonna go pick up Ate. Shall we walk lang? No? Bows. Show me bows, babe. Babe, bows. What's this one?
Yeah, ball.
Oh, what is it? What's the name of this?
The ball.
Ball. What's the color of the ball?
Ball.
Color.
The red.
Yay! Good job, smart little girl. Where was it? She lost her hair tie.
I saw this.
Tingnan niyo ang kanyang buhok ay naglupad-lupad na. Where?
Somewhere over here.
Okay.
And then I thought it wasn't mine.
That's alright. It's okay.
And
Maybe tomorrow I'll find
maybe
it.
at the office.
Wala na talagang naiwan guys. Kanyang mga hair clip, mga hairpin, hair tie.
Maybe at the office.
Yeah?
Or teacher.
Maybe show me your... How's your day? Good. Nak, lang sa may buhok lang. Lupad na. Okay, this way. Lynn, di mo na say hi, ate? Good girl. Ayun na, pa-open sa akin kanina pa. Oh, kina-close niya. Naglakad lang kami, guys. Kasi hindi naman siya mainit. Alam nyo, hindi rin siya maginaw. Wala lang araw.
Do you know what?
We're gonna go to the...
Post office.
Bye. Yes.
You know what? If you want to go to after school care, you have to go out to the office.
Oh, yeah?
I want to go to after school care. I love food. I love snacks.
No.
I want to go.
No, I love food.
I want to go. I want to go.
Okay, we'll talk to daddy, okay? Ito kasi yung after school care, guys. Ayan sila. Yung mga kids na yung parents ay nag-work. So, obviously, 3 o'clock. Hi, Violet! 3 o'clock natatapos yung school nila, so hindi mapipick up. So, ako naman, since, you know, full-time mom, pinapipick up ko sa Ate Paris. And siya naman, gusto niyang mag-join kasi I don't know. Gusto niya with other kids. May mga ano ba, extracurricular silang ginagawa, mga activities. And yeah. I think it's just extra something na, I don't know, extra 30 maybe a day. Okay, come on, let's go. But yeah, there's no need kasi dito naman. Papunta kami post office, guys. Nakita namin si Daddy Mac. Dito rin papunta rin siya ng post office. What a coincidence. Daddy! What's that? Daddy? Oh, lala, gusto rin lumabas. Come on, we go to the post office together then. Oh, how was that? That's better. That's better. Ito ang pinick up ni Daddy Mike, guys. So, sobrang laki.
Daddy, why did you come here?
Change sila ni Celine. Si Celine kung maiyak, gusto niya magpakarga sa tatay niya. Lula! Mukhang mag-iiwan ng tatay niya. Ay.
So I have to get this.
Ha? Okay, dito na lang yan. Oh, lagay. Oh my God. Oh my God. Alam niyo ba kung ano to, guys?
Wanna get your guys' bike?
Sauna. Yeah.
Let's go quick.
Sauna.
I'm in my...
When we get home, honey. See? Can you see? Ala, Daddy, your phone. Ay, no. Bungkag na yung cellphone sa iyang papa. Eh.
I know why you meet these on the back. I know why you meet these at the back of your phone.
Yeah, give it to mommy.
I know why.
Are you ready?
That's a big
Ito kami dito, guys. Yung bakery ba dito, nag-close to siya. Tapos ngayon, nag-open. Akala namin kung sino yung kumakaway-kaway. Oh, yeah. Don't touch it, anak. It's spicy. Akala namin kung sino yung kumakaway-kaway sa amin kanina bali doon. Cross the road. Yung may-ari pala nito is yung, alam niyo yung bakery na pinupuntahan namin sa Houghton, guys. Kung saan binibili yung curry, chicken, yung mga ano. Sila yung palang ano dito. Sa kanila din pala to, oh. Nagkaka-open lang nila. Hi! How are you? Which one? Sorry. I ordered fried rice. Okay, we'll grab 2 cupcakes. One for you, one for Lenny, okay? See, ito yung, ala, that's very nice lang.
Which one?
This one, see, it looks like flour. There's lots of marshmallow on top.
That's the one I wanted.
Yeah. So ito yung binibili namin doon, diba? I'll grab 2 novelty cupcakes as well. Particularly this one here. That's what she wants.
The flower.
The other one is fine. Anything.
Flower. I like the flower.
See? Marang.
I know what these are called.
Oh, this is good because it's close to our house lang. Huh?
Sleep outside?
Yeah.
Look, we'll see it again. The police in this one.
Dia. Daddy yun ang push up.
You know what's very funny?
Yo, your cousin.
Come on, we're gonna open it. Ito yung pick up namin from the post office, guys, and we're going to do unboxing. I don't know what's inside this one, to be honest. Kasi yung mga in-order ko, hindi ko alam kung ano yung dumating. Come here, look! See? Okay, first, we'll see what's inside first, okay? Hang on. Kasi marami na naman tong laman sa isang plastic. We'll do an unboxing. Atla. Oh, hang on. This is mommy's. Hang on. Let us open this first. Whatever we get first, okay? Plastic. Look! Biker shorts for my daily use.
And guys, I'm gonna open the second one.
Okay, you open the second one. It's black, guys. So, ito yung suot ko ngayon eh. So, that's black and this is gray. Mama! Maganda ang kanyang quality.
Mama! Ati's real still.
Yeah, Ati's opening it now, sweetheart. The plastic hawak pa rin ba? Oh, tatlo lang pala. I think this is the one lang. You open this one. Ito yung kanilang hinihintay.
I open it.
maybe you have to get like a thing.
Mama.
Do you want me to open?
Mama.
Hang on, Nak. This is the one. Wait for Ate.
Mama,
I want to open this one. Okay. Okay, open. Oh. What's inside? Ganun din. Ito pala yung mga pinamili ko, guys. Tingnan niyo. Oh, wow. This is nice. Biker shorts.
Mama, open.
Wow.
Let's open this first.
Open this one.
What's the necklace?
Look. Ito yung...
Which is mine?
Oh, it's the same. You want one? Oh, what did they say to Mama?
Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
Mama, open it.
Open. Ito yung kanilang pinabili. So, ngayon, hindi pwedeng isa lang yung bilhin, guys. So, sa Ate Paris na nagpabili nito, obviously, hindi pa nakakapagsalita mo. Dalawa na yung binili ko kasi alams na. Kasi kung isa lang ay... just like this lang. It's like this. See, have a look at Ate. It's necklace. Glow in the dark. Ursula necklace. Ewan ko sa kanila bakit Ursula necklace yung kanilang ano ngayon. Diba? Naging mermaid sila. O ngayon, Ursula necklace. You want me to put it on?
Yeah. I wear it all night.
You can. Later, when you go to bed, you will see it will glow in the dark. It will glow while you're sleeping.
Asla?
Asla? Can you call Ursula lang? Can you call Ursula?
Sing your voice to me.
See? Do you want yours?
My.
Look! See, Ate Paris got it. Wait, ay, pag anak,
After the
alak ka.
Asla.
Arsala. Guba na arsala. Paila, mani nga baratuhon. Hananak. Ano bang nangyari, nak?
You can't wear it anymore.
Can't wear it anymore, sweetie girl.
What?
What ka?
What?
What ka karon yung sabi mo?
Mama. But what?
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 What ka, what? What happened, man? Si Ate, lucky Ate.
No.
You don't want it anyway. It's like this.
Mama, Nini.
Oh, you can do whatever you want with that one. That's yours, okay? Are you happy? Are you happy?
Yes, mine. After the video, can we go in my bedroom and turn off the light so we can see it glow?
It's not dark yet. You'll see it later. It's not dark yet. No,
I mean, we can turn off the light.
Where's the other one? Oh. So, ito yung aking mga biker shorts, guys, for daily. Alam nyo ba, the other day, pumunta kami ng... Hindi ako napag-vlog sa weekend. Pumunta kami ng Rebel Sports. Daddy Mike, gusto niya talaga akong bilhan ng mga pang-gym ba, na mga ganito. Kasi gustong-gusto niya kapag ito yung masusuot ko. And then sabi ko, wag na, kasi buti na lang. Kasi nakalimutan ko, may binili pala akong ganito. Gaganda nito. We'll see if it fits perfectly. More. Last time, yung binili ko sa AliExpress, guys. Isang kulay yung lilac. Binili ko na lahat ng kulay. Hindi ito lahat yung kulay. There's more ibang kulay pa, but ito yung pinili ko. I bought 5 of them. Super cheap lang, guys, sa AliExpress. Alam niyo ba, Zara sells this one for $15 ata. See? Tank top. There. Got purple.
Yes?
Sobrang ganda ng quality niya. The same talaga sa Zara. And I think got this one for $7.50 or $8. So, half price ng
So I can
Zara.
put this on?
B?
So I can put this on? That's mine.
I highly recommend the quality of these tank tops. It's pink. We've got blue. Tingnan niyo. Oh, diba?
Blue?
Ewan ko bakit hindi ako bumili ng white na white sana at black ba. Very
Mama.
next time.
I want
See?
Nini. Black. I'm a Nini.
Super, siya sa katawan. Hinahag niya yung katawan mo ba?
Mama, there.
Kaya napabili talaga ako nito kasi yung first na binili ko, isa lang gusto kong itry yung kanyang quality. And when I proved na maganda yung kanyang quality. Anak ko! My goodness, mga anak. Kayong dalawa, mahu kayo. And then blue. Nak, klaro kayo mong kuto, nak. Ay, mong kuto. Mabutaw. Wow, look! Colorful. Super nice. Mga basic lang, guys. Ayan, guys. Suot-suot ko na, oh. Ang bilbil. But yeah, I like this one. I really do. Ito siya. Dapat sana high-waisted din, guys. But hindi ko siya bet. Napakapangit niya, guys. Kita hulman-hulma dito ba?
And guys,
No to this one.
and guys, this is what it looks like with my necklace. Looks so cute. Look at that. Oh. That's the back, that's the front, and this is the bottom that's upside down. That's the whole thing. I'm sorry, Dad, you cannot see my face. Bye.
Yeah, so this one, I might resell it o padala ko sa Pinas. Hindi ko talaga siya bet. So, ito yung top niya, guys. Ito yung mga iba't ibang kulay. Ayan, sinuot ko lang siya. But, super nice. I love this one. I think I'm going to go back and get the other kulay. Here's the black one. Oh, I'm so happy. Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, maganda siya kasi high-waisted talaga siya. Hindi pa siya, dito, hindi siya hulmang-hulma ba? Dito sa ilalim. Yung isa, sobrang bakat na bakat talaga, guys. Hindi ko bet. Ito siya nice. I'm definitely taking the other colors for this one. Ito yung tank top again, but in red. Alam niyo, oh, medium yung size ko na kinuha. And very stretchable. It hugs your body. Yes. Oh, diba? Maganda to siya pang ano lang. Pang daily lang ba? Kahit hindi ka naman mag-workout. Ako hindi na ako nag-workout, guys. But nice. See, this black one, you can pair it with any color. Royal blue. Fank. Tsaka itong sky blue. Diba? Very cheap. If you are looking for something like this, hindi to siya sponsored, ha? AliExpress, Canon M50. Hindi to siya sponsored. But I'm just sharing my good finds with you guys. Just in case naman you're looking for something na ganito. Diba? At least alam niyo kung saan makakabili. Oh, love it! Tapos hindi siya nagro-roll, guys. Well, we'll see. Kasi nandito lang naman tayo. But when we start walking, we'll see kung ano ba to siya. Magro-roll ba siya pababa? Alam niyo yun. Ito siya. Dito. Time to cook dinner, guys. I am making a mashed potato. So I'm just boiling the potatoes now. And we are having this one for tonight. Melt in middle salmon fish cakes. Whoop! Ayan. Lulutuin natin siya sa air fryer. And then while waiting, I made hot chocolate. Ako na talaga nag-hot chocolate sa gabing ite. We also have this schnitzel, guys. I also make this one kasi dalawa lang yung salmon fish cake. Yung mga kids ay naglalaro sa kwarto kasi yung daddy nila ay nagtutupi ng mga damit. How did you get there? You know how to get up there. You should know how to come down. Taka-taka kag-saka diha karon tabang. Ate, help Malini. Ate, help Malini. Look at Malini. What she's doing. Okay, let her knock. Let her knock. Silly girl. Hi. Careful. Come down. Mashed potato. Mashed potato. Mashed potato. Yeah, I think it needs more mashing like last time. This is yeah. Mommy? Anyways, we're in the vlog here now, but I will do a quick shout out. Shout out to Maricar Castaneda, Irene Aliperio, Ashik Live, Carmen Lu, Maria Fe Cañeda, Elizabeth Al-Amer, Rochelle Pacana, Esther Timuat, Mercy Narito, Juliet Caparas, Rosemary Arquita, hi Bess, Kari Faltiquera, Sweet Shy Colit, Luz Doble, Yet Palino, Feli Ilamparo, Naida Trufil, Josie Yoro, and Mary Ann. That's about it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful.